Mr. Sharma is a tutor and he runs Achievers classes. Like every other institute, they have to do multiple tasks apart from teaching, like making and checking assignments, managing fee records, keeping parents informed, etc. All this takes up a lot of manual work, time, and money. Extensive paperwork leaves everyone around tired. The market is competitive and creating a brand remains a dream for his Achievers classes. Luckily, Mr. Sharma comes to know about Class Plus. Class Plus helps him manage his classrooms effectively by removing all the hassles of paperwork using a simple mobile app, thanks to the interactive portal. Mr. Sharma can now easily conduct the activities using an app of Achievers classes, which is available on both Android and iOS. Parents are now super happy after seeing his digital and organized coaching methods and are enrolling their kids at his coaching classes. His institute is now more popular than ever. Mr. Sharma is no longer worried of the big names as he has a better teaching style and is creating his own brand using his app. Not just Sharma ji ka beta, Sharma ji also rocks now.